Hello, Alaska. Ben Linford here with Linford of Alaska, celebrating 50 years with the greatest hits tour of great Alaskan restaurants and recipes. Today we're at the famous Moose's Tooth, and I'm here with kitchen manager J.D. Williamson. So I want to talk a little bit about the rotating specials.
The specials give us a chance to experiment with some off-the-wall ideas. We've definitely developed some menu expansion based on the specials, the Backpacker, the Veggie Delight, the Steak Chipotle, and of course the Avalanche being our second most popular pizza.
What's the best selling?
Pepperoni is king.
Because that's just in the pizza world,
Absolutely,
pepperoni is king.
yeah.
But in terms of creations, it's Avalanche. Barbecue sauce, bacon, pepperoni,
Blackened chicken,
oh,
cheddar cheese.
yeah.
It's got that combination of a little bit sweet and a little bit spicy. And who doesn't like bacon on a pizza?
I'm really excited about this Avalanche pizza. We're gonna go see how the magic happens.
All right. I'm gonna cover the table with a little bit of flour here. And then I'm gonna create the crust by spinning it and stretching out the edge. It won't come off the board if you don't use a little cornmeal. The canola olive oil blend on the crust. This is our signature barbecue sauce. Spread it on out to the edge. It's a mozzarella provolone blend. Then we got our red onions here. Our pepperoni, our blackened chicken. Then we're gonna take our bacon here. Last but not least, some of that cheddar cheesy goodness.
And there you have it, the amazing Avalanche pizza from Moose's Tooth in Anchorage, Alaska. Did that pizza get a Nobel Award, a Nobel Prize or
It
something?
definitely has won an award or two.
Featuring Alaska's most iconic recipes. Pre-order the Greatest Hits Cookbook today.